Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Revolut crypto in the USA, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Revolut for cryptocurrency in the USA, start by downloading the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app after installation. Select Get Started to create a new account. Enter your phone number and tap Continue. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code in the app to verify your number. Next, create a secure password for your account. Fill in your personal information, including your full name. Provide your date of birth and home address. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Prepare a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Upload a clear photo of your ID as prompted in the app. Follow any additional prompts for facial recognition or verification. Once your identity is confirmed, you will have access to your account dashboard. To start trading cryptocurrency, navigate to the Crypto section. You may need to activate the cryptocurrency feature if this is your first time. Fund your account by linking a bank account or debit card. Choose the amount you want to deposit and complete the transaction. After funding your account, select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Review the purchase details and confirm your transaction. Your cryptocurrency will be added to your Revolut wallet instantly. You can now manage and trade your crypto through the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.